Shaunak Paikani from Mapsa is building an impressive collection of currency. He has in his kitty monies from 68 countries. The oldest dated to Jamnagar's 1570 AD Jadeja dynasty. Shaunak's target is to reach 200 countries. Over the last 11 years, Shaunak has not only acquired coins and notes from around the world, but also studied some striking features of these nations. Live News Goa puts the spotlight on this 23-year-old Tata Consultancy Services engineer who is acquiring a big reputation as a serious numismatist in the state.
So I started collecting coins back in 2009 when I was in 6th standard. Actually, one of my friend and also one of my relative were already collecting coins, so I found it very much interesting. So I thought I should also collect coins. So I started collecting coins. Now it's been 11 years, and along with coins and notes I have gained lots of knowledge. So whenever I get any new currency, I Google about that country, I read about that country, I read about its culture, I read about its GDP, its currency, how its currency is fluctuating, its literacy rate, and many other things. So along with coin collection, I have got knowledge about many other aspects of each and every country. And like last 11 years, I have learnt about many topics from economics like GDP, inflation, and so on. So this hobby has also helped me to improve my knowledge a lot. I would like to thank all my family members and friends who have contributed or who have given me coins and notes to increase my coin collection, and my target is to collect 100 currencies of world. Thank you. Now I'll take you through my notes collection. So as far as notes are concerned, I have almost covered the African continent and the Asian continent. And currently I have about 220 notes and 720 coins from 68 different countries. And my target is to complete 100 countries. Then I will completely focus on old Indian coins. So as you can see, this Zimbabwe currency, these bills are of $20 billion, $100 trillion. So what happened was, it was heavily infected by inflation, and they went on printing currency notes, and then one time they had to stop printing the currency notes and adopt US dollars as their official currency. Now it is very easy to get the notes of America or Gulf countries, but being Pakistan our neighbor, it was very difficult for me to get the Pakistan bills. I got Pakistan notes from United States from one of my relatives because their neighbor was from Pakistan. So being our closest neighbor, it is very difficult to get Pakistani notes. These are some old Indian notes. This is I guess from North Korea. This is the entire set which I bought last year. This entire set is from North Korea. This is the old currency. Now they have phased it out. They are using a new set of currency. And this is the highest denomination. This is the highest value note which I have. 50 pound note from England. This is the third album. Some countries have started printing polymer notes like Australia, then Singapore. Their new notes are completely plastic notes, so it's beautiful note. And according to the recent news, I guess India will also start printing polymer notes of 100 and 500 denomination. This is my last album. This is the Pakistani note. As you can see, I have mentioned some numbers in each of the pocket. So these numbers correspond to a country code. I maintain an Excel sheet wherein against each country code I write details about that country, of whatever coins I have, of whatever denomination. So whenever I get a new coin, I make an entry in the Excel sheet. So to refer in future, I have given country codes to each of the country. So these are all the unique coins. Now these are the extra coins which I keep in different album. So these are for exchange. So if I get any coin belonging to a different country which I don't have, then I exchange that coin with whatever coins I have. So these coins I have kept for exchanging. Now I will show you some of the Indian coins. These are old Indian coins. And this is one more album having only Indian coins. I don't have much interest in collecting old coins, but whatever I get, I keep them in my collection. So these are silver 1 rupee coins of 1916 and 1906. This is a temple token. In earlier days, each family was given this temple token, and before going to the temple, you have to show this temple token to the priest to give you the entry. And you will be familiar with these coins, 20-25 paisa. These are some Goan coins when Goa was ruled by Portuguese. Now there are many countries which are adopting US dollars as their official currencies, and European Union is formed which circulates only one currency in the entire Europe continent, most of the countries of the Europe continent. So now it is difficult for the collectors to find old currencies. So I have maintained this rare collection of old coins in which all the countries of European Union like French, German, then Italian, then Belgium, all old coins are kept. Now they have a single currency called euro.